Rafael, a special unit of every law enforcement agency, especially SWAT team, are trained to do rappelling techniques. Response to the high-risk assault like hostage situation with the needs of multiple entry. SBMA SWAT team trained with this kind of force. And static display, the basic unit of SBMA SWAT team are composed of 5-man tactical team assault with individual duties and responsibilities.
Satok Training Alpha Ace Anthony, assistant team leader of the team. The lead individual of all movements and the primary shooter of the team. Armed with 9mm caliber pistol and MP5 submachine gun, was led the team to the objective by conducting a reconnaissance of the approach and withdrawal routes, building entrances, rooftops, and report back to the team leader with details of area to be assaulted. Equipped and protected with ballistic helmet, balaclava, goggles, body armor, flexi cap, tactical duty belt, gas mask, gloves, additional loaded magazines, knee pads, and tactical boots, sir!
Sir, Satok Training, Officer Portela, Team Leader, Tactical Team Bravo. Second from the front in order of movement, armed with 9mm caliber pistol and MP5 submachine gun. Responsible for the completion of the team objective. Responsible for locating counterparts against target, creating of the plan and action, reversing its execution. The focal points of the team activities must be capable of what his men can do individually. Responsible for what the team does all best do. Equipped and protected with ballistic helmet, balaclava, goggles, body armor, flexi cap, tactical duty belt, gas mask, gloves, additional loaded magazine, knee pads, tactical boots, sir.
Sir, Satok Training Opal Edwin, sniper of Tactical Team Bravo, the third from the front in order of movement, armed with 9mm caliber pistol and 308 sniper rifle, equipped and protected with ballistic helmet, balaclava, goggles, body armor, flexi caps, tactical duty belt, gas mask, gloves, additional loaded magazine, knee pad, and tactical boots, sir.
Satok Training Abante Rami, the breacher of the team, armed with 9mm caliber pistol and shotgun, must provide frontline firepower during approach and cover team's withdrawal, must give close range defense against attack on the team's position, and when necessary, assist their guard in delivering chemical agent. Skilled and properly equipped with mechanical breaching tools necessary for the operations. I am equipped and protected with ballistic helmet, balaclava, goggles, body armor, flexi cap, tactical duty belt, gloves, gas mask, additional loaded magazine, knee pads, and tactical boots, sir!
Satok Training Arsenal, Edward, the fifth man and the real guard of the team, armed with 9mm caliber pistol, MP5 submachine gun, and gas gun, must provide defense against those suspects who may maneuver to a position that would permit a real attack on the advancing team. Responsible for collecting and preserving all evidence that will obtain during the assignment. When necessary, responsible for the use of chemical agents along the help of sniper observer. Equipped and protected with ballistic helmet, balaclava, goggles, body armor, flexi caps, tactical duty belt, gas mask, gloves, additional loaded magazine, knee pads, tactical boots, sir!
SWAT mission!
SWAT mission! To the resolution contain all high-risk criminals and terrorist threats of airport, urban, rural, mountain, maritime, criminals, and terrorist incidents. Sir!
That is the public display of the Tactical Team Bravo.